Hi guys, hi friends, welcome to the new video. If you are new, subscribe, upload every day video, it's gonna help my channel. Check out my Patreon link in the description. If you wanna support me, I upload some sound packs and some 3D models on this site. Now, today I'm gonna show you a very cool technique that you can use in animation if you have bullshit PC like I am. So basically, I have right here some stupid 3D scene, yes, as you can see. I have my ground, I have some stairs right here, yes. And what I want to show you, basically, you can render one image, yes, and later on, you can basically just upload your 3D model animation, yes, your animated 3D model on this scene, and you can basically just delete this stuff, yes, delete those models by selecting, of course, an X and delete, yes. And it's important to keep the camera on the same place, and basically you can add right here maybe some walking animation, yes, of your character. You can delete, like I said, those 3D models and just render your animated characters, okay, on alpha, on maybe on green screen, yes. You just put some plane, add some color to key this in different software, and basically you can mix those two together. So you have your image. I'm gonna show you. I have right here some render, view render. This is my image, yes, and I just render this image, as you can see, and I just render some animation of my character walking, yes, and some characters in the background. But like I said, it's important to basically keep the camera on the same place, and you just place in your 3D models on this 3D space, yes, correctly. Basically, I'm not gonna place my 3D models right here that walking through the stairs or whatever, yes. I'm just gonna place my character right here and it's gonna walk. And like I said, you can render just only the animation of your character, yes, and delay those stairs, delay the detail if you have bullshit PC, and just render, like I said, the animation. I'm gonna show you. I have right here on Sony Vegas. This is the stuff. So look at this. I have right here, I'm gonna show you. This is the character that I render. Yes, I'm gonna show you. This is the characters. This is some guy walking on green screen, as you can see. And I just placed this robot walking. I'm gonna click spacebar. He's walking, as you can see. And I'm just keying, like I said, I just add some green, yes, background to key this stuff. To use chroma key in Sony Vegas, you can use in different software, yes, if you have different software, Adobe or whatever, Keylight or something like that, to key this stuff. And I'm gonna just show you. I just add right here, key stuff, yes, and I just key this robot. Okay, so I can put my image behind this. And like I said, right here, this is the image. Yes, and I just key this image too, if I want. So I'm gonna show you. This is my image, basically, yes, that I render. And my character is right here walking through. But I just combine the image with the animation. And like I said, it's important to keep the camera on the same level, on the same angle, and to place your characters on good spots. Yes, like I said, not right here maybe because it's gonna crash to this stairs or something like this. Yes, when this robot gonna walks. So this is basically just combining animation with still image. But like I said, if you have bullshit PC and your PC can't handle some rendering, you just render one image, delete the objects, okay, and try to place, basically leave maybe some one object to how to say, to keep the perspective, yes, where you're gonna place your 3D animated characters. Okay, I'm gonna place the robot right here, right here, right here. Delete this stuff, all this stuff and just render the animation of your animated characters, maybe walking, dancing, whatever you want. And you just combine in this stupid fucking animation. I'm mumbling. I hope you know what I'm talking about. The stupid animation that you render, yes, with the still image. And you just basically key this stuff, yes, right here, using some different software or whatever, yes. So I can put my right here. This is just, like I said, this is just walking animation of my character. And I'm just put image behind this, still image. And I can build more to this. I can add right here some smoke, yes, as you can see. And I can put even image behind this, because I just rendered the still image, as you can see, with green screen, yes. So I can basically key the still image, yes, right here. I have chroma key here. Like I said, you can use different software. As you can see, I just key this stuff and I can put different image behind this right here. And I can build this, like I said, to create layers and layers. And it is important on this technique, okay, to add this shadow on your character. As you can see, I have right here, I'm gonna show you. I have some stupid shadow on this character. So I have right here Boris FX, yes? If you don't have this stuff, I'm gonna just place right here, shadow. Okay, guys? Maybe you're gonna see this. So as you can see, I just add some shadow right here on the ground. This plugin is very cool to add some shadow to basically like create this 3D, like, oh, this robot is in this space. But basically this robot, I just rendered the animation of him walking, not in this 3D space, because my PC can't handle this, okay? But you can render, like I said, separate. Just still image, okay, delay the objects, and render just placement of the animated models, and combine those two together, basically just keying this video of animation, and you can put image behind this. Okay, I hope you know how this technique works. This video sucks, but I explain and explain. You can use this in movies. I use this in some stupid movies, like stupid zero budget movie, and I'm gonna use this in some of those shots, because those shots, how to say, works on slider shot, because I can basically render this, yes, or maybe zoom in shot, yes. So I can render this animation, I can play for you. As you can see, my character just walks through this 3D stupid space, yes. Let's go. And I can create some zoom in shot or slider shot. I cannot travel in this 3D space. So those kind of shots looks only like to zoom in, to do slider, because you have just still image. You don't have the animation of this stupid 3D space. Okay? Like right here. If I'm gonna just put my characters, my PC gonna lag in and it's not gonna render, yes? But I can render just still image, delay those objects, keep maybe this object and place the right here, maybe this robot right here, and delay the ground, everything delayed. Keep this plane on green screen and just render the robot like walking, yes, on green screen, and key this footage and put this image with this detail they are render, yes, separate, and put this behind this footage, and basically I have created this scene, yes, and I can, like I said, render this and create some slider shadow or whatever. I hope you know how this technique works. You can, like I said, create some cool stuff using this if you have bullshit PC, and you can build more to this, yes. And what it's cool about this, basically you can combine this with video, but this is more complicated stuff. Maybe I'm gonna record separate video, yes, because you can travel through camera and, yes, do some keyframes on the camera, and basically you can render the background and keep the same camera movement, delete the fucking detail, everything, if you have bullshit PC, place your characters correctly, and render the footage of the characters, yes, using the same keyframes on the camera, and you can combine those footage together, and you have basically like created this illusion like, oh, this is combined together, but you have differently, you have basically background and you have animation separate, and you can combine this in different softwares. I hope you know what I'm talking about. This is like very simple. Render just still image, delete the objects, place your characters correctly, place the camera on the same angle. This is important stuff. And render the animated models, okay, separate, and combine those two together. And you can build up, like I said, create some cool stuff using this technique on animation, yes, or on movies or whatever. Just you can build more to this. I record some of those, something like this kind of video, but you can use this on animation, like I said, and you can create something cool with this. But it's important to place some shadow right here on this stupid ground. If you don't have the plugin of the shadow, it's hard, okay? So I hope you know what I'm talking about. If not, I'm sorry, I'm just mumbling. I need some content on my channel, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.